If you have a situation where you're looking for threads for your assistants, or let's say that you've been actually sending messages and you want to be able to view those messages in the console, well, OpenAI has changed their UI quite a bit. So here's a quick way to find the threads. Go to platform.openai.com/threads. Here, it'll let you know that threads are disabled. So we need to actually go to our organization settings to go ahead and enable that. So once I head over to organization, what you can do is I'll say visible to everyone. And okay, so we'll just save this. So now when we head over to threads, there we go. So these are two threads that I created yesterday that I couldn't find, and now I have them. So I hope that video helped. Let me know if you have any more questions about OpenAI. Talk to you soon. Dr. Frostad. Please like, comment, and subscribe.